Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a DIY and it's how I made this Hedwig inspired squishy. I've made it with like a super kawaii face and like a chubby feel. That's exactly what I wanted, as I wanted to kind of like take my own spin on the owl, obviously from Harry Potter. And yeah, this is the second one in my Harry Potter series and I'll just get straight on into it. So to start off with, I took a block of memory foam, just drew out a oval, and then I drew two kind of bits on the side and a block down the bottom. I then cut out this shape from the block, and then what I did was I really focused on the side bits and made them into wing-like shapes. I just cut off all the excess so that I had two wing shapes on the side of that really blocky kind of round sphere, and then I cut off also the front and the back of the kind of block that I left at the bottom. What I then did drawing a permanent marker was just draw out the side profile of the owl that I wanted, and then I just shaped it away, removing all the excess, smoothing out as I went along, just to kind of shape it into the owl-like 3D shape that I wanted. It's really hard to explain, but I just basically carved the shape from that one block of foam. Once I had the middle bit all rounded out and like I wanted, I then went ahead and really focused on the wings. I smoothed them out and got them to shape like pretty soon, and then just kind of went over and over until they were all nice and rounded out and the same size on either side. On that very block bit on the bottom, I then went ahead and drew out little feet with my permanent marker, and then just cut these out with my scissors. I made little indentations on each of the feet, and then I separated them to make them into two separate feet towards the end, just so that I kind of had the nice little bits of like kind of detail in them, as well as them just being two little feet. Once I was completely happy with the shape, I then popped it onto a metal skewer, which is just used for like barbecuing and stuff, and I mixed up a white puffy paint mixture and painted the whole entirety of the shape. I did 6 layers in total. What I then did was I mixed up a light grey and a slightly darker grey and did some dots on either side of the wings, and I made sure that the dark grey was at the top and then it kind of ombreed down into the very pale grey. Next, taking a black, I drew on the eyes. This on camera for some reason kept appearing dark grey. It is actually black in real life, but for some reason my camera was really hazy and I have no idea why. I then popped on the little beak in the middle with a light grey, and then white on the eyes with a little bit of black on the kind of claws of Hedwig. Once all that was dry, as you can see, my squishy was then complete. Now this squishy is not the most slow rising. I'm not 100% sure why. I'm thinking it might be down to the fact that the air hole I left in the bottom was pretty large, but who knows. But I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think that Hedwig looks super chubby and super kawaii, especially with that little cute face, and yeah, I'm really happy with it. Is of course the second one in my new series where I'm going to be making Harry Potter ones, so leave any suggestions for further ones in the comments down below, as I'd love to hear what you have to suggest. I'm thinking my third one might be a chocolate frog, but let me know down in the comments down below. And that's it for today, a nice and quick one for you. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye!